Where's that? Yeah. Come here. Hear me now. Me. Can you even see my face? COVID wedding. Hold on, let me see if I can juke this up. Can you see? Let me take it off, yeah. COVID wedding. We're here in Burlington. Wedding time. I'm so happy for my girlfriend that she gets to have the wedding she wants, because she was very concerned it was only going to be like 20 people allowed, or even just 10 people allowed at your wedding. But we're now in step 3 of the openings, and
Mr. and Mrs. Piper, let's go!
okay.